I'm going to show you how to kick a user from your Roblox game. So I'm just going to use the player added event to get a player to test this on quickly. But if you want to kick somebody from your game, there's a multitude of reasons why you might want to do this. Perhaps they're causing trouble, they're exploiting, being a nuisance, and you want to remove them from the server. So you would just say player : kick. And then you'd give a reason, if you want to, in strings. So you could say, you have been banned for whatever, alright? And you think that's it, but if you kick a player, usually you want to prevent them from joining the game again, for at least that server. So we can create a list of kicked players by creating a table, and then we can say table.insert kicked players player.name, and then we can check to see if the player who joins is in that table. We could say if table.find kicked players, and I'm going to change it from player.name to player.userid just because I prefer that. So if we find them in the table, then again we will kick the player, and this will make sure that if somebody joins the server, gets kicked, and later tries to come back, they won't be able to return. Now in your game, you will not be kicking a player when they first join. This part is just for show, to show how to kick a player. You would have this code outside of this player added event. You'd have it somewhere else, but you get the idea. If you kick a player, add them to this table, and then you can check to see if they're in the table when they rejoin. Perhaps you might kick a player from another script, and since this kicked players table is in this server script, you won't be able to access it from other scripts. In that case, I recommend you set up a remote event or a bindable event to kick a player, and you have the code to intercept that event in this script as well. Okay, just make sure you're doing the necessary checks to make sure the player who is attempting to kick someone is actually an admin or someone who is deserving of the authority to kick somebody in your game. Otherwise, chaos might ensue. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe as always, and I'll see you in the next one.